Hello there, this is Albert, and right now I'm going to show you one of HelloBar's key features, which is called the custom targeting feature. And this allows the users to leverage their pop-ups. When using pop-ups, I'm sure you wouldn't want them to appear spammy, especially if you have so much things in mind that you want to communicate and share to your customers using the pop-ups. But don't you worry, HelloBar got this covered with our custom targeting feature, which will allow you to display your pop-ups on specific pages, devices, date and time, and even different locations, among many other types of custom targeting rules that we offer. And here's to show more of our custom targeting rules. You can trigger the pop-up using these different custom targeting rules. We have different ad targeting rules like the ad campaigns, content, ad medium, ad source, and ad terms. Now, all these ad targeting rules uses the UTM parameters. So if you're familiar with UTM parameters, you can use this to trigger your pop-up. We have the city targeting. Just type in the city, say Los Angeles. We have here cookies. You can just type in the cookie value that will appear on the URL. The country, you can choose the country that you want to trigger the pop-up into. The date, uh, days of the week. You can choose from different days since last visit. So if you want to trigger the pop-up after certain number of days of visit, like after 2 visits, then the pop-up will appear. The device, you can choose from mobile, tablet, and computer. Every end session, quite similar with the number of days since last visit, but this more on the browser sessions. So if they visit your uh, website after 2 different browser sessions, it will display the pop-up. Um, yeah, similar to that one is the numbers of visits. Previous page URL. This allows you to trigger the pop-up after visiting a certain website. Referrer. This is for targeting a referrer URL, also a referrer domain, region and state. You can put like the your state, like California, and all other regions from on your country. Time, you can choose the time and even the time zone. URL path for choosing the web page to display your pop-up. Let's say you want to trigger it on the about page. You can put the slash, the forward slash, and the word about. It's basically capturing the string after the .com. For example, website.com/about. This is all you need to put as the value. URL keyword. This is used if you have multiple number of uh, web page that you want to target. Let's say these pages has videos on it. Just type in video as the keyword, and it should trigger the pop-up whenever a visitor lands on a web page that has videos on it. URL query. This is mostly used on um, query-based or dynamic types of URL. For example, checkout pages. This type of pages varies from time to time, um, depending on on the value or what type of product the customer orders on, for example, on an e-commerce platform. And the last one is WordPress tags. You can add your WordPress tags here to trigger your pop-up. If you want to know more in depth about all of these types of targeting rules, you can check out our help page for the complete instructions. Thank you.